Hi guys, we've had a Jellycat order in this morning. This is our new spring summer range. It's not all of it, but it's most of it. So let's take a look and see what we've got. We've got some strawberry ice creams, mint and vanilla. These are new from Jellycat. The food seems to be going very well with Jellycat at the moment, especially on TikTok. I don't know if you've been on TikTok, but there's loads of different ones on there. We've got, these are brand new, spring summer, the sunflower. Oh, this is gorgeous. You've really got to see this in person because it doesn't really do it justice in pictures. We've got the Jellycat soother to go with it. It's a nice little baby gift. And we've got the jitter. It's got like little crunchy leaves. And then you can pull this. Nice little gift. We also do that in the daisy. Now somebody have already asked me about this because we've got a little girl called Daisy, which I thought was quite cute. With the little soda. Have we got the jitter to go with it? I'm not sure, but it's on order anyway. The classic Jellycat rabbit. This one's a little wooden rattle. That's a good seller. The nice thing about Jellycat is they keep their best sellers, but they're constantly changing, which is nice. We've got, these are new, these are brand new. They are called Petalkin dolls. This one is Bluebell. So they come in like a little pouch and you can take them out of their little pouch there, which is quite sweet. They're brand new. I think we've got another colour in these. Yes, we have. We've got rose. We've got the rose one. These are all on our website as well, and we often click and collect on these. We've got, this is my favourite dinosaur. I think Jellycat have done well this year with dinosaurs. Look at this. T-Rex. Oh, I love him. I love him. He's gorgeous. T-Rex. Octopus. Now, we usually have Adele in stock, but this year it's been very popular, so I think they've extended their range. We've got the baby size, which is really good. I get a lot of phone calls for these for newborn babies because they like to grab onto the tentacles. They're quite springy. It's a nice little gift. They've also do it in blue. Blue is called Storm. Somebody asked me for this last week, so I hope you're watching because they're in stock now. They're on our website. We also do them in, I think this is like a little farm toy. Let me see. Yeah, that's cute. So you hang there. And then they can grab the little tentacles. This is a lovely gift. This is new as well. This is Adele. There's a little baby Adele in there and a little muslin with octopuses on. It comes in a little gift box, which is nice. We have got, this is nice. All you avocado lovers. Avocado. I am an avocado book, which is like a soft play book. You just open it up and it's got little different textures in there. It shows how the avocado grows. It's really sweet. It's a nice little baby gift again. And to go with that, I should have an avocado here somewhere. Have we? Yes, I do. Avocado. He's my fave. Right. Next, what we got next? These are new. Again, I've seen a picture of these. I think it was on Instagram. Look at these little succulents. Little aloe veras. I've seen a picture of these in a nursery, all on a shelf, which was sweet. And they had Mr. X next one, which I thought was a nice idea for a nursery. What else have we got? Oh, Colin. Now, Colin is a classic. Colin is a Jellycat classic. Just looking gorgeous. Colin the chameleon. I love him. We've also got a book to go with him. Have we got the book here? Yeah. Colin the chameleon. It's the matching book to go with the soft toy. Oh, Daffodils. They brought these out last year and they went quite well, so back again this year. The little immovable daffodils. We've got the new calf. Oh, I love this calf. It's so soft. Oh, look at him. He's lovely. For the farmyard animals. We've got the cloud. I love this one. This is a nice nursery one. Look at this one. Oh, he's so soft. And he's a little bit weighted as well, which is cute, so you could probably sit on a shelf. We have got the new sage dragon. We had him for Christmas in the snow dragon, but this year we've got sage dragon for spring. We've got Cordias. We've got the lovely new Cordy pram toy. Lots of little crunchy things going on there. Some noises. Cordy Lion. We've got the phone, which is another new one. I think the plays its phone though. It's quite sweet for your little ones. We've also got the camera, which is the new tech one as well. This one here. I don't know, how do I... Oh, there we are, makes a camera. We have got a Hippie Dragon back in stock. The book, really cute. It's a really nice story, that one. And last but not least is the My First Puppy box. And if you open it up, it's got a little puppy in there. It's got my first puppy, date of birth, name, birth weight. That's a lovely gift. There we go, and that's about it for the time being. So a new Jellycat stock. It's all online. You can either click and collect or we do delivery as well. I hope you liked my video.